Hello, here's your explanation for the romantic art criticism assignment. So as we've talked about all unit, we know that Romanticism was a cultural movement and was a reaction to the Industrial Revolution of the same time period. It found its way into people's thinking as well as into the literature, music, and art of the time. So we've talked heavily about how romantic art really was a big part of the Romantic period. So you're going to critique a work of art and you need to read the artwork much like you have read written words in a story. You're going to pay attention to what is captured in the art, how it is captured, the mood, feelings it communicates, and then make a judgment about the art's effectiveness and worth. Okay? So there's a few steps that I want you to think about here. I want you to review this list of traits of romantic art, okay? And keep it with you as you are analyzing art. Think about the feelings that an piece of artwork captures. It has a lot of powerful emotions. Is there admiration? Is there awe? Is there pain, despair? What is the emotion that you're supposed to get from that painting? Then I want you to think about the subject matter. Landscapes, spirituality, nationalism, revolution, mythology, nature, how awesome it is. You can think about indigenous or tribal cultures. Think about the supernatural, horrific, or exotic. Mary Shelley, like those were all different parts of this time period. Think about Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Like we know that she came from this time period. There's a lot of different avenues to explore here. Techniques. Think about how brushwork became looser and less precise. Paintings outside in order to capture a scene in great detail. There are figures, their postures, and their facial expressions that help convey that emotion. And then remember that artists did things their own way. There was not one set style of painting, right? Romantic art was really about that individual expression and emotion and imagination. So keep that all in mind. So step 2, you're going to look at options. There are several, once you click this link, you're going to see this. There are several options here that you can pick from. You only need to pick one to analyze, okay? So you may not, like some of these might not be to your liking. That's fine. Find a piece that really does connect with you, okay? Think about something that you want to analyze here. Then, once you've chosen your piece of artwork, I want you to write the title and the name of the artist. Then in complete sentences, I want you to describe what you are seeing in the art. I want you to be very detailed here, okay? Share what you see. Think about the colors, that's next. Just describe what is happening in the painting. Do not give me one sentence here. This needs to be a detailed response. Then, in complete sentences, analyze the relationships between the themes you've observed above. Discuss elements of art such as spatial layout, colors, lines. How are these aspects working together? Think about what we've talked about in class, okay? And how these aspects work together to create a mood or feeling. Then interpret the meaning of the art. Consider what you've discovered about the art in the boxes above. So look at what you wrote in these two boxes. Now interpret. What is the meaning behind the art? What is the artist trying to say and what about that makes you think so? Okay, I'm looking to see, are you answering all of these questions? Then finally, remember, I wanted you this whole unit to think about what do you like about the painting or the pieces that we've read and the artwork we've analyzed. Offer your judgment of the work of art. Evaluate its quality and worth. Do you like it? What do you like about it? What do you dislike about it? Does it successfully communicate its meaning? Is it an important piece? And you could even be like, answer the question, would you display it in your house? So you need to make sure you offer up reasons, but rely on the details above to help you provide a thorough analysis here. If you have any questions as you're completing this assignment, don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to your romantic art criticism. Thank you.